Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about 6 things you need to do to make your sewing machine sew your stretchy fabric. 6 things you need to do to make your sewing machine sew your stretchy fabric. So if it's something you are interested in, sit down, relax and watch this video to the end. Are you that beautiful creative who doesn't like accepting stretchy fabrics from your clients because of the stress that comes with sewing stretchy fabrics? Do you use a manual machine and your machine has refused to sew stretchy fabrics? Is sewing stretchy fabrics always a huge task for you? Does your machine jump threads while sewing a stretchy fabric? Today, I'll be talking about how you can work on a stretchy fabric. To achieve a perfect result while sewing a stretchy fabric, use the following hack. First hack is get a tape, popularly known as a masking tape or a paper tape in Nigeria. Place it underneath your sewing machine foot and begin to sew. This will work perfectly well. Hack number 2, get a strip of paper. Place it on your fabric. Let your machine needle run through the paper as you are sewing. After sewing, you can rip off the paper. Hack number 3, get a candle. Use your candle to trace the seam line before sewing. Then sew exactly as the seam line. Hack number 4, get a stripe of the popular hairstay. Then iron it on the seam line. It makes sewing easier. Hack number 5, machine HA size 16 to 18 works perfectly well for stretchy fabrics and sewing machines. According to my research, HA size 16 works perfectly well. Also, you can also get several machine needles, then test them with your machine to know which one works well with your machine. Then the last hack, you can ask a machine engineer to help you fix your machine. They know what to do to make your sewing machine to sew stretchy fabrics. Hope you find this helpful. Please subscribe to this channel for more amazing content. Subscribe to this channel for more amazing content. Like as well as share my videos. Thank you.